Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can make money using AI video. Just simply copy paste on Amazon. So step by step tutorials, so just follow these steps. And if you were first time watching this video, I make videos how you can make money on online, how you can start your YouTube channel. So if you are interested in this niche, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss the video. So maybe you are a student and you are thinking to start a side hustle or start freelancing or making money online, so you don't know how to be start, and maybe you are thinking to purchase a premium course, so you don't need to purchase any course or don't have hire any freelancer guru or any money making guru. Okay, it's completely free tutorials. So I will show you how you can find the Amazon based product, and then how you can create a good storytelling video on that particular product. Okay, and then you can publish on Pinterest. So why Pinterest? Because Pinterest is the one of the great social media platform where you will find the audience all over the world, and especially from the USA. So if you are targeting the USA market, okay, and if you want to earn huge money, okay, so Pinterest will help you a great way. It's called Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, maybe you heard something like this, but you don't know how to do this. So no more delay, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all you have to set up a Pinterest account. So I just said that it's a simply copy paste job. Really guys, it's really copy paste job. Okay, and you can make money. So just set up your Pinterest account, set up your logo, banner, title. Okay, and this is my Pinterest account. Here you can see monthly views, 4.7k monthly views. So let's have a calculate. If 1%, okay, if 1% or 2% people visit your link, that's been your affiliate link, and they purchase the product, and if it is 4% for each product or 10%, so you can calculate the money you can make. So $500 is pretty simple amount. You can make money through affiliate marketing. So there are several ways you can make money like affiliate marketing, but it is one of the great way you can produce the product video or storytelling video on particular product, and then you can promote other social media platform as well. Okay, so I have several videos on my channel, so you can check out my YouTube channel, so you can find the videos. Okay, so first of all just set up your Pinterest account. This is the first step, and the second step is you have to find the Amazon product. That's mean if you want to promote like clothing brand or clothing products, also you can promote different ebooks or hard copy books, different electronic gadget, okay, and many more. So Amazon, it's a e-commerce giant. You can let's search on Amazon. That's mean I will show you how you can find the best product. Okay, also you can find the Google Trends to searching different ways. Okay, also you can use another website I'm going to show you. It's called Cola Data. So it's a TikTok shop analytics and insight. So using this website you will find the best trending product right now. Here you can see trending product analysis. Okay, so let's find the shop or creator or product. So click on product. So you can use this website. As here you can see TikTok, also you can select Amazon. So it will open a new page, and maybe you have to log in. Okay, so let's log in with your Gmail account and password. Also you can log in with your TikTok account. So I'm going to log in with my TikTok account, and I will show you the tricks. Okay, perfect. So after successfully login, just try again, like visit Amazon. So it's a called Amazon product. That's mean the most selling product right now in Amazon. Okay, perfect. So these are the products guys. These are really high selling. Okay, so last 3 years or 4 years, and it's still now it's making money. It's really amazing. So if you want to promote this kind of products, so you can. And also you can find the products like hot selling products. Okay, it's a snap supplements. Here you can see the Airba Mate instant tea powder, and you will find the top creators. Those are really making money. So that's another part. They are using TikTok, but if you don't want to use TikTok but it's okay, we will use Pinterest. Okay, and you know, in Pinterest you can also upload a shorts video. You can see these are the all shorts video that I already published. Also you can upload images, so it's pretty similar. Okay, so I'm just showing you that the way you can find the best product. Okay, so this is how the marketers, they are using these tools, they are analyze, and finally they can find their best product. And how many revenue they got, you can see these top creators already generate 393 14k revenue. Okay, 375, 289, and this is the top shop. Okay, all right guys, so our task is pretty simple. We just go to Amazon, and then we'll find the product, this product. Also you'll find the top trending products. It's a 3-piece ratio furniture set outdoor, so we will rocking. Okay, so let's open the product. Okay, so this is the product, 3-piece ratio furniture set outdoor, so we will, and this is the price, $259, and the commission rate is 8%. Okay, so let's calculate this. So if you got 25 sale, you will earn $500. That's pretty amazing. So this is how this seller or this affiliate marketer making money. Okay, this is the commission rate. So our task is to find the product from Amazon. Okay, so let's copy the product and then paste the product. Okay, press enter. Look at the right corner, sort by featured, and you will find the best sellers. So click on best sellers. Okay, so these are the best seller. Okay, so also you can more customize, like select average customer review. Okay, all right, so I'm going to select this one. So top reviewed for build quality. Okay, so top reviewed for quality. So let's open this product. This is $769. If you get 8% commission, so let's see, $61. So per sale you will get $61. That's pretty good amount. Okay, so as a beginner, as a student, and a small side hustle. So this is our second step we have done. We are finally find our best product. Okay, and the third step is we have to create the product video. So many of you just thinking this, can I use this video? Okay, so you can use this video, but this is not a wise decision, because this is not your created video. Okay, so there are several ways you can create video. You can create your live video, or you can create AI video. So right now AI is really growing fast, and no matter how this is product, so you can generate the video using AI. So I'm going to show you how we can create the story, and that's selling the product. Okay, so this is the title, guys. Perfect. So I'm going to use a tools. So let's open the tools. Okay, so I'm going to use it's called short.ai. That's amazing tools. So why you should use these tools? Because you can create different AI story video. So click on that story video, and you will find different background style. So I'm going to use Disney style. So click on next, and the best part is you can create custom prompt, and the script length should be 90 to 120 seconds. And let's copy the title. Very simple, just copy and paste the title over here, and this tool will help you to generate the script. So how? So let's generate the script. Click on that, and within few seconds you will find the script. So you don't worry about writing a script using different tools like Gemini, ChatGPT, or DeepSeek. Okay, here you can see it's done. So it's a story. So why we should produce a story? Because story catches human attention always. So that's why. So where we can produce Amazon URL to video that I already showed different videos, but that the I think the old story. So we want to get the audience attention. So that's why we need a story video. So this is the script that I've already generated. So click on next, and this is the subtitle template section. So you can use different subtitle styles that you love. So I'm going to use this. Next, and the voiceover. Okay, so you can use different accent, different tone, different country, different languages. So I'm going to search this because I love this Tonia, young American female with cute voice subtitle for entertainment and TV. So I'm going to use her voice, AI voice. Okay, also you can use background music, but I'm not interested to using background music because if I got any copyright problem. Okay, so it's time to generate the video. So let's generate the video. So this is how we have done our third step, I think. So that's been we have producing our AI video. Okay, so this is the product and this is our video that's in progressing. Okay, so within few seconds or a minute, I think you will get the video. Then we can download the video, and ultimately we'll use Pinterest, and I will show you step by step how you can upload a short video into Pinterest and how we can find the Amazon affiliate link. Finally guys, our video ready, transforming a backyard, the joy of connection. It's a 1 minute 36 seconds video. Okay, so let's play the video.
Neighborhood chose to renovate their backyard. They selected a stylish 5-piece patio set. The set featured cozy wicker chairs, a sleek glass table, and 2 ottomans. They dreamed of starry evenings. The set arrived, and the couple couldn't wait to assemble it. Mr. Johnson tightened screws while Mrs. Johnson arranged vibrant cushions. They felt a sense of accomplishment as they finished. That night, they hosted friends for a gathering. Laughter echoed as they clinked glasses. The glider chairs swayed gently, adding to the atmosphere. Friends complimented the furniture for transforming the space. Days turned into weeks, and the Johnsons cherished their new outdoor oasis. It became their escape from daily life.
Perfect. I think you'd love it, the video. So you can directly create post. Also you can share through TikTok, YouTube or Instagram. But our target is to publish on Pinterest. So let's download the video. So pretty simple. Just click on here, one click. You will see the download video into your device. So let's remove the short AI and go to your Pinterest account. So the first step was set up your Pinterest account. I think you set up fully and your Pinterest looks really good, like set up your logo and banner as well as. Okay, so our video is done, ready. So let's click on here, and we want to publish the pin. So click on create pin. So choose a file or drag and drop here. So you can upload image JPG format, and also you can and must be a JPG file less than 20 megabyte. Okay, it would be high quality recommended. And you can also upload .mp4 file, and it should be less than 200 megabytes. So make sure your video size and also the images. So click on here. So I'm going to upload the video. This is the video guys. Okay, it's uploaded, done. You can edit the cover. Also you can use Canva to create different cover that will grab the attention. And this is the title and this is the description. So let's go back to Amazon. So I'm going to copy the same title over here. Perfect. It's too long, no problem. So you can reduce some keywords over here. Link, so you can publish without link. Here you can see the publish button. Also you can make it as a schedule. That's mean you can publish at a later date. Okay, so I will suggest you to publish this a video into Pinterest. And our last step is that mean the 5 number step is we have to find this product affiliate link. So where is the affiliate link? Maybe you are wanted to get the affiliate link. Okay, so for that you have to create Amazon associated account. Okay, so this is how we recommend and our commission. Sign up. So click on sign up. So simply enter your email address or phone number and continue. It's a step-by-step process. So very simple, just follow these steps and sign up and the complete this sign up. And once you complete the sign up, so you are the member of Amazon affiliate marketing program. That's mean you are associated with Amazon affiliate program. So sign up, recommend, earn commission up to 10% you can earn. Recommend the product and earn commission. Okay, so once you complete the Amazon associated program, you will find the specific particular for this product. You will find a link. That's mean you will find a Amazon link, and once you find the link, just copy the link and go to the link section and paste it here, and then you can publish. So you'll find the impressions, also the pin clicks, and also the saves, how many people they clicks on the pin and the saves. Okay, so this is how you can produce Amazon product video, and then you can share, and then I already showed you the calculation how much money you can make. Okay guys, so I hope you find this video is helpful, and if you love this video, so don't forget to subscribe. So I will come back with new tutorials. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.